the University of New Mexico Center for Metals in Biology and Medicine is doing groundbreaking research on microplastics.
So this study really took a look at how much plastic is in the human body, and we compared the concentrations in brains and livers and kidneys. And what we found was that not only did we appear to find considerably more plastics in the human brain, but it also appeared to be increasing over time.
So exactly how much plastic are we talking?
About 7 grams of plastic in each person's brain on average. That is about the weight of a plastic spoon.
Testing tissue samples is a complicated process. What do these two machines do?
This is actually the part that is going to heat up the sample that we're interested in to a very high temperature to be able to create a gas out of all of it. And then that gas will then go into this system, which is going to be what is going to read and give us the data that we actually need to say which portion of this is plastic, which portion of this is different material as well.
Researchers say we could be consuming about a credit card's worth of plastic per week. So how does this get into us? Microplastics could be about the size of a grain of rice. Seems like you might notice that, right? Well, what if the plastic was a whole lot smaller?
So these are probably 1 to 20 microns.
Microplastics will continue to break down until there's something called nanoplastics, which are about 100 times smaller, and even though you can't see them with the naked eye, just know they're everywhere. What can people do to reduce their consumption of these plastics?
We suspect that they're coming in through our diet and probably disproportionately in meats that we eat. A lot of the advice related to chopping on plastic boards and things like that really isn't going to generate the kind of plastics that we're seeing in the body. So we think that a lot of research is needed very soon to help answer these questions.